and welcome to Thryraj Solution. In today's session, we'll be seeing a new subject related to Power BI, and let's see some topics as like introduction to Power BI, architecture of Power BI, various version of Power BI, and what are the users and features of Power BI in this session.
Let's see what is Microsoft Power Platform. See, Microsoft Power Platform is designed with set of integrated and low-code development tools. So these Power Platforms are classified into Power Apps, Power Automate, Power Virtual Agents, Power Pages, and Power BI. So what is Power Apps? So Power Apps is used for web and mobile application development, whereas Power Automate is used for the process of workflow automations. And Power Virtual Agents are used for customizing Microsoft Copilots or building your own pilots. Power Pages are used for building secure data-centric business website. And coming to Power BI, which is used for data exploration, analyticals, and reporting. So let's come to the definition of what is Power BI defined. See, Power BI is a data visualization and business intelligence tool that converts data from different data sources to interactive dashboards and BI reports. Power BI suite provides multiple software, connector, and services. Let's see how the Power BI architecture. So it is a service built on the top of Azure. There are multiple data sources that Power BI can connect, and Power BI Gateway is connected to on-premises data sources to get continuous data from reporting and analyticals. So here we have the architecture where we have the Power BI desktop, the Power BI services, and the Power BI mobile application, where this is the Power BI gateway. So we have different types of data sources from where the data can be extracted. It can be Excel, CSV file, or it can be from cloud services like Salesforce, or it can be through SharePoint, or it can be through Azure ID, or it can be through any web. So once the data is been extracted, it gets connected to the services, and after publishing, where it has access, where you can view the view. So let's see what are the different parts, components, or formats, various version of Power BI. So Power BI are it's Power BI desktop, Power BI services, and Power BI mobile application. What is Power BI desktop? Power BI desktop is an open source version for desktop user and a Windows desktop application. It is used to create reports and data visualization. Whereas Power BI services, which is an online as SaaS, abbreviated as software as a service, which is used to publish the reports. And coming to Power BI mobile application, it is a compatible with mobile devices for ISO on Android devices, where it is used to view reports and dashboards. So in the given diagram, we can see the Power BI desktop, where it's an open source tool. Once the user creates the reports and analyzes, and the data is extracted through different data source connectors, which can be a SQL connector, Oracle connector, or a Excel, or a cloud-based computer Salesforce, or is a web-based link, and from that source into the desktop, where the reports are created and generated. After creating, it has been published It has been shared and published in Power BI services, and in the services where you can view the reports. And if you have the mobile access, where you can view the reports and dashboards. Whereas the Power BI gateway, it is used for the refreshment of your data. Once any data is updated with the Power BI gateway on the premises, where the data gets updated. So this is the various version of Power BI. So let's see what are the uses of Power BI. So Power BI provides an easy way for anyone, including non-technical people, to connect, change, and visualize their real business data from many different sources and turn it into valuable data that make it easy to make smart business decisions. And let's see what are the features of Power BI. So Power BI is an comprehensive business analytical tool that offers a wide range of features to help user analyze, visualize, and share data. Some of the critical elements of Power BI include we have data visualization, data exploration, data modeling, data transformation, collaboration, mobile access, NLP, which is natural language processing, real time data. So, what is data visualization? So, Power BI offers a variety of visualization which includes bar charts, line charts, pie charts, map, and many more, which help user to gain insight from data. What is data exploration? Power BI allows user to explore deeply by drilling into data points, filtering data, and creating hierarchies. Data modeling. Power BI enables user to create and manage relationship between different data source, define calculation, and develop measures and KPIs. What is data transformation? Power BI includes tools that allow users to reshape and clean data for analysis. What is collaboration? Power BI allows users to share and collaborate on reports and dashboards with colleagues and integrate with other Microsoft tools like Excel, SharePoint, and Teams. Mobile access. So Power BI provides a mobile app that allows users to access reports and dashboards from their mobile devices. What is natural language processing? So it is the capability that allow user to ask questions in natural language and receives answer through visualization. What is real-time data? So Power BI can connect to real-time data source like Azure Stream Analyticals and Power BI streaming data sets and display real-time data in visualization. Thank you all.